The HQ7 is one of our screw-in cartridge systems. Each cartridge screws into 4 seals, which I hope you can see on our lid here. And the membrane filters to 0.1 of a micron. When you change this system, all we have to do is turn off the main supply, which is the small tap here. Turn it off, run the water out of the filter tap on the sink, and then one by one just simply unscrew the cartridge, put it away and get your new cartridge, put it in. So in this case I'm going to change all 4 cartridges. So we take out the second one, the membrane, and the final one. That's because that membrane's been in there for 3 years and we haven't changed any of the cartridges for 2 years. Every year you should be changing at least 2 cartridges, and you can rotate these cartridges into their spots. The last one, being the post filter, can rotate after 1 year into the second spot. In this case I'm putting the post filter at the position 4, which is the last one. And you just lightly screw it in. Don't have to place any great effort in it. Second one, the membrane. Then we've got the pre-filter, pre-carbon. And finally, the sediment. Once they're in, all you do is lightly turn on the tap to push the air through the system. If you turn the tap on too hard, you may cause an airlock. So it's better not to have an airlock. So you just turn it on slowly. You let the water run through the system until it starts to dribble out of the faucet on the sink. And once it starts to dribble out, then you can turn the tap under the sink on a bit more fully. At all time you should be checking for leaks, and we should run this tap for at least 5 minutes. And then at the end of the 5 minutes, again we will check for leaks. And we're following this procedure, as I said before, just to make sure there's no air leaks, air in the system. We're on a pump system here, so as a result the flow is a bit slower than what I'd expect on mains. Probably start to get a flow through in about 15 seconds on main. So here we go. So once that's on, we can turn the tap fully on now, and we have decent flow. Checking for leaks, no leaks there. If there are any leaks, it will be because of these rubber seals either becoming shredded or even bulging. You can find that when you undo the filters. But anyway, you just put your filters in, you check for leaks. If there's a leak, then you'll have the seals just to change the seals. We run this for 5 minutes, check it again, and that's it. Nice and easy.